Annyeong, hail, it's M, and I'm about to react to 101's debut. I didn't really watch the season of Produce 101. I started it, but then I just wasn't really into it, and I got super busy. But let's see this, shall we? Okay, 101, Energetic, playing 3, 2, 1, go. All the different entertainment companies. To be honest, the only ones I know is Minhyun of Newest and the member from Hot Shot. Okay. They're all attractive, but I am a new nut to all of them, I think. I don't know why 나도 모르게 또 빠져들어가 숨 막히게 baby I don't know why Okay, that high note. Okay. I know I never reacted to IOI, but that was because I was kind of against the whole Produce 101 thing. But like, the song is good. Also, I can't wait for Newest to come back. I know it's gonna be good. I like this song. That's a cute puppy. The way they say energetic is interesting. I love when the Koreans like slightly mispronounce English, like with some kind of way. I don't know why. I think it's adorable. Alright, work your body. 다가와서 즐길 시간이 let's dance. 아껴둔 너의 신발이 더러워지더라도 움직여 빨리 hurry up. 질문은 난 say hey. 다른 남자들은 넌 보지 말게. 누가 바래서 그랄게. 이제 시작해 no I'm big. That's good. I liked it. Or wait, no, it's still going? No, just a little more. Very nice. You know, I was originally actually very upset that Newest was gonna, like, the members of Newest were gonna be on that show because, you know, Newest had been a group since 2012 and I was a huge love, and I felt like it was like such an insult. Like, why are they going on that show? And then, you know, I realized that it was, you know, their one last chance for like actual popularity besides, you know, just such a small fandom. And I'm really proud of them for doing it. I know that it was really hard for them, but Yeah, I like that. I'm probably gonna keep my eye on 101. I don't know if I'll get a bias or not, but yeah. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that little bell for notifications, and follow my links on social media. I mean, follow, follow me on social media. Links are down below. Bye, y'all.